What's going on, guys? Steve with Adventure Off-Road X, and today we're installing a little thing that I picked up. So if you followed the channel at any point, and you've seen the interior of my old Gladiator, you've seen the interior of our JK, then you'll see that I run the Bulletpoint mounting solutions for my phones, for my GoPros. I mean, everything inside. And let me tell you, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I bought this with my own money, other than the discounts that come up every once in a while, and that's about it. But I am a true believer on it, and they've worked great, flawlessly. So we've got this brand new 2024 Jeep Gladiator Willy, and we're going to install the brand new one. So stick around, because they've got some really cool features with the brand new 2024s that they didn't have on the past models. So stick around, let's see what we got. All right, guys, so again, this is from Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. Bought this again with my own money. Just opening it today. This actually came in a couple days ago. It is 4th of July today, so I'm just doing a quick film, get this thing in, because I'm just tired of my phone just bouncing all around. So, but they packaged it pretty well. Got 2 boxes in here, obviously the receipt. Now I will say with mine, since I've owned a bunch of their products, I already had the mounts here for the phones. So I already had these, so all I had to do is purchase just the bases. So keep that in mind if you do go out and get a brand new vehicle. Most of their stuff will all work, you just gotta buy new bases. Save you a little money, because I think the whole thing together is like $79 versus, I wanna say I spent before discount, 25 bucks. Not bad. So let's get you over here and see what's in the box. All right, guys, so you get your little sticker, get your screws, get your bottle top opener, you get all the hardware and the tool to put it on. This one here is to use on these here. This actually tightens them down. It's pretty nice. And this is the mount, guys. So it's all metal. 2 mounts on there. This is the one that I opt for. It has the nice graphic here, pretty nice. And all this does is just slide right in the slot and put your bolts in. So let's check the other one out. Same, all your hardware. These things are really cool. So, little bottle opener, Allen key, and then this is the other side. So this thing sits in here like this, right in those little pockets. So let's go inside and let's get this thing installed. We're in the truck, and this thing couldn't be any simpler. So the difference between the older models and the newer models, so the older models just had this up here that was just flat, and you had one big mat in there. The new one has 2. So you have 2 mats here, and all you do is you pull these mats up, and you have 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Both sides are exactly the same. Pull those mats up. And like I said, these mats right in here, you have 4 here and 4 here. And it honestly couldn't get any simpler than that. I'll tell you, they definitely stepped it up on this one, using those mounting holes, because the other ones weren't bad. They were pretty easy. They used holes as well, but you had to take things out to put to fill the holes, where these are completely empty. And all you do, you set that in there, set that one in there, just like that. And then all we're going to do is, with the supplied hardware, the Allen key they supplied, and that's it. Now all you gotta do is repeat the other side. So sort of first impressions, guys. I mean, I honestly didn't have to really look to line up anything, which means its fit is really nice, other than not being able to see that hole. But I'm really surprised how well this thing fits in here. That's it. So now all we're going to do is we're going to attach the arms to your 20mm balls. That's it. Basically get it kind of like you want it. Put mine over here. Get your little tool out. So this little tool right here. And then you just, after you get it where you want it, that snugs it down. Snugs it down nicely. And that's it. Now I opted to do it on the inside one here instead of this one because I'm gonna put a camera mount on that side, so it's easy just to hit it there, or if I can turn it around and you can see me. Same thing on this side. I think I'm going to do the opposite on this side over here, just so if I have a passenger on this side, I can, they can utilize the mount. But if I don't have a passenger, I can utilize this mount. And I also have another piece coming. I just ordered with their 10% for 4th of July and free shipping. I just picked up the mount for the radio, so that way I can hook it and it's secure. It's out of the way. So, all right, let's get this on there and go from there. Well, guys, that was a pretty easy install. So again, I'm not sponsored by these guys by any means. I just love the products. So you can check them out. I'll leave a link below. I think the new Gladiator and the new JL with the new holes in there, that's actually pretty cool. A little different, like I said, but the mounting holes were already there and the fitment is nice. So let's take a closer look, see what you guys think. So guys, the other cool thing that I like about this is it's one touch. Like you literally just take it and you're up. Take it off, put it on. It's stout. It's not going nowhere. I mean, it's nice. So that's one thing that I like, is with the other mounts, you have to hold and push down. So one hand has to push down and then you put your phone in. That style mount is pretty secure, but I just like to be able to just do this and you're gone, do this and you're up and you're ready to roll. So, all right guys, so that's a wrap. Again guys, I'm not sponsored with these guys, but it's a great solution to your phone mounts, camera mounts, tablet mounts. I mean, they pretty much have just about everything covered. Check them out. I'll leave a link below. And if you're not a subscriber, we'd love to have you. We do a lot of camping trips, overlanding, rock crawling, trips across country. Here in Florida, we do reviews for gear. We also do installs. So check us out. If you're a subscriber, we appreciate it. But until next time, guys, enjoy your adventure. See ya.